Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Dr. Nandipha Magutumana's brother Nkosinathi Sekeleni has changed his tune regarding his criminal evil sister Dr. Nandipha and said that he will stand by her and support her sister no matter what. Nkosinathi was the one who blew the whistle on Dr. Nandipha and revealed that she has helped Thabo Bester escape and was living with her and her daughters. Now, it was surprising to hear him change his tune today as he reportedly told the Sunday Times and revealed this. When you see your sister on the news like that, you feel for her. That's my sister. There are feelings from me about what she allegedly did, but that is my sister. Sekeleni also confirmed that the leaked audio of a man threatening a woman last week was between Thabo Bester and his sister. I know what my sister sounds like when she is backed into a corner. That is her voice. That is how she sounds when she is confronted. The voice note is a genuine Thabo Bester. That is Thabo Bester. I know his voice. It is how he sounds when he is angry. Now, you guys, lastly, he said that he hasn't been in contact with his sister, but he has made sure that people who visit her let her know that he is behind her 100% and will support her despite their rocky relationship. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe, like, I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.